Hi there, once again from Akash. Today I am here with you for a different purpose. We are looking to grow the team AHA, and we are going to talk about how we do what we do. And any of this or all of this sounds like yourself, then please reach out to us through the link given in the description below. AHA was founded in 2010, and it was the first company in India to give the nation an indigenous 3D printer. AHA is located in the beautiful city of Jaipur, which is one of the top 10 most livable cities in Asia. At AHA, our primary objective is to make each other successful, to contribute to each other's success and to watch our backs, and then to deliver unprecedented delight and value to the users of our products. To be successful in this objective, we meditate together every day half an hour in the morning, and then we discuss things and issues which are beyond the day-to-day humdrum and more at a vision level and a purpose of life level. Over the last 11 years of our existence, we have identified what works and what does not work in a team member who looks forward to join the AHA team. So core competencies would be that the person should be fundamentally motivated to create new products. And the person should be ready and willing to dive into all kinds of work to get the job done. The person needs to be result oriented, or the person should not treat the intermediate things as goals. The person needs to be a continuous learner. We in fact make sure that you learn continuously. We teach each other and we make each other successful by sharing knowledge on the real work that we are doing, not as an academic theory or anything like that. How do you know if you'd be a cultural fit as an AHA team member? If you like to learn, to teach and to share knowledge, you'd definitely enjoy things with us. If meditation interests you or you've been meditating yourself already, you'd love it here. Creation and preserving the knowledge and dissipating it, disseminating it. If this sounds exciting to you, you'll definitely love being here. You feel like you belong at AHA. Over the last 10 years, we have also come to know some known mismatches. So these are some patterns that we look for. We know that the people who will not fit here. Candidates who don't appreciate cross-disciplinary exposure and deliverables. Candidates who prefer to work in strongly defined work boundaries. Candidates who have not demonstrated initiative and activity. And failure doesn't matter here. Candidates who don't have a deep interest or understanding of anything at all in this world, of any one topic in the world. Then what we don't care about. We don't care about the marks awarded to you by the education system. We don't care about your past failures, and we don't care about your future failures. The specific job role that we are looking for a teammate right now with us is the role of an embedded engineer. As an embedded engineer in the AHA team, you'd be creating the firmware for AHA products. An example of your typical day would to write microcontroller code in C, understanding data sheets of various chipsets, watching the pulses in digital signal oscilloscope and debugging the code, moving the motors, interfacing computers with the real world, and things like this. Going forward, you'll also learn and understand real-time operating systems, the Linux kernel, GCC compiler internals, and you'll also be writing kernel modules and coding for FPGAs as needed. So if whatever I just shared makes sense to you and you'd like to be a part of our team, please do this. Compile all the projects and work that you are proud of, your so-called portfolio, and put all the links in your CV. Make a PDF out of that CV in which the links should be working, and with that CV, please follow the link in the description below. There you will need to pass through a couple of screening tests, and if you make it through, we will get an access to your CV and we'll take it forward from there. We really look forward to you joining us and creating the next future together with you.